Starting the takeoff run now. Leading edge devices deployed, trailing edge devices deployed, changing the whole shape of that wing. It's a very fast wing, hence the cruise speeds of the 727. Coming through with gear up, slower speed, and shortening smoke off by the blades. Now the 727, if it was doing all the dispersals, will be considerably lower than that. So pulling away from the blades, who will be getting into position. That cuts down the cost of airlines, cuts down the time that crews change on their training between one type to another. Certainly considerably quieter inside the cabin and outside the cabin than previous generation aircraft. Original concept was way back, the A330 derivative, but it has changed considerably. We had our first appearance of the A350 XWB here at Farnborough in 2006. Significantly, an extra wide body has been designed. Maiden flight of the Dash 900 took place in June 2013, and at the controls then, as at the controls now, was the Airbus Chief Test Pilot Pete Chandler. That is a majestic flyby. (118 knot ground speed at only 800 feet). 118 knot ground speed, coming back to 110 now, it's going to read 109 knots, 109 knots logged, 108 as the slowest ground speed today. Then the park coming back.
Aileron rolls, demonstrating its exceptional rolling maneuverability.
Go back to the old days of passenger transport, something like the DC-6 lumbering off.